Hello and welcome to this introductory video on GBMS's categories. Categories are located in the item and category settings. GBMS supports an unlimited number of categories and subcategories. Here we have a category called PTS, and underneath it we have two subcategories called Auto and Food. In the Auto subcategory we have two additional subcategories called Batteries and Brakes. And in the Food subcategory we have three more subcategories called Chicken, Flour, and Seafood. In the Item category window we have four special icons on the toolbar that are used to create and manage categories and subcategories. This icon is the Add Category button, which is used to create a new category. Next to it is the Add Subcategory button, which is used to create a new subcategory. This icon is the Move Up button, which allows us to take a subcategory and move it up one level at a time so that it is on the same level as its parent's category. This final icon is a Move Down button, which allows us to move a category or subcategory down one level at a time so that it is on its child's category level. Every category and subcategory has a category code and a category description. When categories and subcategories are created, we can set several defaults so that items can have, say, perhaps the same put away method or the same unit of measure, or perhaps the same markup percentage. Let's create a new category called Electronics and then add subcategories under it. Here is our new Electronics category, and now we'll click on the Subcategory button to create a subcategory under it, and we will call it Computers. Here is our Computers subcategory underneath Electronics. Now let's create a subcategory underneath Computers. We're going to call this one Tablets. So here's our Tablets subcategory underneath Computers. If at a later date we decide that we don't want the Tablets subcategory to be underneath the Computers subcategory, we can move it up by using our Move Up button. Let's do that now and move the Tablet subcategory up on the same level as the Computer subcategory. By clicking the button, I have now moved the tablets to the same level as computers. Once our categories are created, we can assign items to them, and we can see the items in the Items tab. Let's click on the PTS category and see all the items in this PTS category. If I want to drill down and look at, say, just the food items, I can click on the Food subcategory and see all my food items. And then if I just want to drill down and look at my items that are in the Flour category, I can click on it and see my three flour items. This concludes our introductory video on categories and subcategories. Thanks for watching, and please watch our other videos that introduce more of the important features of GBMS.